வணக்கம் வாழ்க வளமுடன். Indian tax laws last week many updates and amendments have come. Let's see them one by one. In relation to GST, no late fee for belated filing of GST or 3B with no tax liability for the period from July 2017 to Jan 2020 when the returns are filed on or before 30th September 2020. Late fee of Rs 50 per day subject to a maximum of Rs 500 for belated filing of GST or 3B with tax liability for the period from July 2017 to Jan 2020 when the returns are filed on or before 30th September 2020. Revised rates are prescribed for composition levy for goods from 1/4/2020. Manufacturers other than ice creams and tobacco products 1%, restaurant services 5% and traders of goods 1%. Cancel GST registrations up to 12/6/2020 for non-filing of returns can now be restored by revocation application up to 30th September 2020. Under income tax, due to COVID-19 pandemic, revised due dates are prescribed for various tax complaints. Filing of TDS or TCS return by government and other than government. Jan to March 2020 is 15/7/2020 and 31/7/2020 respectively. Claiming of deductions under Chapter 6A and B. 2019-20 is 31/7/2020. Filing of income tax return 2018-19 is 31/7/2020. Filing of tax audit report and income tax return for the period 1920 is 31/10/2020 and 30/11/2020. Vivad Se Vishwas scheme 31/12/2020. Linking of PAN with Aadhaar 31/3/2021. Furnishing of Form 16 for salaried associate for the year 1920 is 15/8/2020. And with regard to TDS recovery by banks for cash withdrawal, which comes into effect within a couple of days, that is from 1/7/2020, applicable to customers who have not filed their tax returns for the previous 3 years and for which the due date of filing tax returns has expired. Amount 20 lakhs to 1 crore is the rate of TDS is 2% and greater than 1 crore it's 5%. Customers other than mentioned above, up to Rs 1 crore nil and greater than 1 crore it's 2%. In service tax and central excise, one important thing is that the last date for payment under Sabka Vishwas scheme is 30th June 2020. Hence, hurry up and do the same. Next we move on to DGFT, wherein the time limit for re-import facility of cut and polished diamonds is extended from 3 months to 6 months for cases where re-import period is expiring between 1/2/2020 to 31/7/2020. PPE items such as medical coveralls of all classes or categories, medical goggles, all masks other than non-medical or non-surgical masks, face shield are now prohibited for exports. New DGFT platform and digital delivery of IEC related services launched. Importers and exporters are now required to create a user profile and authenticate such profile for availing IEC related services. In relation to customs, provisional anti-dumping duty on import of flat rolled product of steel, plated or coated with alloy of aluminum and zinc originating in or exported from China, Vietnam and Korea made final and valid for a period of 5 years from 15/10/2019. However, the period from 15/4/2020 to 22/6/2020 is excluded from the imposition of levy. With regard to Companies Act, CSR now covers measures for the benefit of armed forces veterans, war widows and their dependents, CAPF and CPMF veterans and their dependents including widows. Till the period up to 30th September 2020, approval of the following can be conducted through VC or AV means, that is, annual financial statements, boards reports, prospectus, audit committee meetings, and matters relating to amalgamation, merger, demerger, acquisition and takeover work. Thank you all for your patience listening. Please do like, share and subscribe and ping the bell button below for receiving all the latest updates. Thank you once again.